Hi guys, welcome to discussion 5. For this week's discussion, we are considering a writing assignment that we need to complete by next week. I am only in this class, so I will be doing the writing assignment that we have this week, which is to revise writing assignment 3. Basically states what is the assignment and why must you complete it. It is for this course. So I'll be taking the writing assignment 3, which was what is something in your life that you have to change. And for my topic, I had discussed my job and what is the purpose of what will be the purpose in your writing this assignment for your audience. This is basically for my professor to show that I can complete assignments and do things under task and of what is asked from me. Will this be something you would want to read? I think so. I think that this is a look into when you need to do a career flip. Reading about other people's stories, I think always help. I think that doing a giant career leap like I am is also very interesting. And I think that anybody that was looking into it who had ever worked in the services industry would also find this very, very interesting. How will you effectively answer the question, so what? So given that this is actually a writing assignment, so what is that this is going to be a part of my grade, but on top of that, the so what will be, I'm trying to inspire others. And I think a lot of us who are in this course or, going back to school and we're working adults, the so what is that we are trying to better our lives and we can be inspiration to other people who might feel scared or discouraged in trying to start all over. So I think a paper like this would be a great inspirational story about how to go back to school and try and change your career path. What ideas for this week's videos can you include in your answer? So this week's discussion in the chapter 14, we read about purpose, voice, audience, and context. I think all of these need to be taken into account. We want to make sure that we are writing an essay that has a purpose and not just some flippant words on a piece of paper. And through that, we also need to be able to find our voice. You can't necessarily drive home a purpose or context if you don't have a voice in your writing. And you do also need to think about your audience because you need to know who you're talking to when you're writing a paper. Now, for this assignment, I will be talking to my professor, but I would hope that if any of you were able to read my paper, that you would also be inspired, for lack of better words. But yeah, that was this week's discussion. I hope you guys are all having a good week.